Hey there, Jasmine with WTI. I've got to show you my new headlamp. It's from Xflyee and it is so cool. And it's come in really handy lately. We had storm damage in the middle of the night, threw on the headlamp, could see all the damage. My husband's work called, we needed to go move trailers, throw on the headlamp, we could see everything and get the job done. This headlamp has so many features, I have to show you, but you gotta follow me up to the light. This is so feather light. It has a nice piece of foam right here that lays soft on your forehead. I really like that part. And then also it's rechargeable. So it comes with a charge cord, just a USB port that you would plug it into. Here's the little port on the headlamp. You open it up and you can charge it. So no batteries necessary. When it's charging, it has 4 blue lights right here that will let you know when it's fully charged. Right now the first one's blinking, which lets you know I have pretty low battery. This comes with clips that you would put on the elastic part. You would slip them through this little slit, the hook side facing your head, slip it on. You're gonna have these hook the rim of your hard hat or your helmet. You can slide these around and adjust them. It's not going anywhere. The strap has a reflective strip on it. When you shine light on it in the dark, is almost as bright as the light. That's really a bonus. If you're looking for a new headlamp for camping, hiking, backpacking, work, or your go bag, disaster relief work, then look no further. The Xflyee headlamp, it has everything you need. But that's just my point of view.